Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to freeze rows and columns. Let's get started. I have an example sales report here that shows employees and sales per month. I want to be able to see the column headers as I scroll down so that I know what the data represents. Excel has available functions to fix this. One quick tip is that if your data is formatted as a table, the top row will always be visible as you scroll down. Let's take a look. You can use the keyboard combination Ctrl-T to format this as a table. Now as I scroll down, you'll see the top row remains visible. Heading back to the original spreadsheet, Excel gives you more flexibility to freeze columns and rows by heading to the View tab at the very top and clicking on Freeze Panes. Excel gives you the option to freeze the top row or freeze the first column. If you notice, the icons in this menu indicate to you what will be frozen by your selection. So I'll choose to first freeze the top row, and again, as I scroll down, the top row with all the column headers stays in place. But now, if I scroll to the right, I'm no longer able to see my employee names. Let's head back to the left and up to the very top. We'll go back to the Freeze Panes menu. This time, I'm going to select Unfreeze Panes to cancel out that frozen top row, and I'm going to select this cell here. Now, when I go back up to Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes, this will freeze all columns to the left and all rows above my selected cell. If I scroll down, I can see all my column headers, and if I scroll to the right, I can see the employee names. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.